Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the value of 0.63 recurring plus 0.37 recurring. We know that 0.63 recurring can be written as 63 upon 99, and similarly 0.37 recurring can be written as 37 upon 99. Therefore, 0.63 recurring plus 0.37 recurring will be 63 plus 37 whole upon 99, that is 100 by 99, and so the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the value of 9821 minus 48 plus 12 into 153 plus 24 is, using V Podmas rule, we first start with the first bracket, that is 153 plus 24, that will be 9821 minus 48 plus 12 into 153 plus 24 comes out to be 177. Then solving the second curly bracket, that is 12 into 177, we get the expression as 9821 minus 48 plus 2124. Again solving this bracket, that is 48 plus 2124, we get 9821 minus 2172, that is 7649, and so the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, simplify 13 1 by 3 divided by 6 1 by 2 of 10 by 13 plus 2 2 by 3rd minus 2 by 7 of 5 by 8 divided by 1 11 by 14 into 3 1 by 3. The first step is to convert all the improper fractions into proper fractions. We get 40 by 3 divided by 13 by 2 into 10 by 13 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 8 divided by 25 by 14 into 10 by 3. Applying V Podmas rule, the expression becomes 40 by 3 divided by 13 by 2 into 10 by 3 comes out to be 5 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 8 comes out to be 5 by 28 divided by 25 by 14 into 10 by 3. The next preference goes to division, which becomes 40 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 8 by 3 minus 5 by 28 into 14 by 25 into 10 by 3. That becomes equal to 40 by 3 into 1 by 5 is 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3, and 5 by 28 into 14 by 25 into 10 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3. And so, on simplification we get 15 by 3, which is 5. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the greatest fraction out of the following. To compare fractions with different denominators, we first need to bring them down to a common denominator. For this, we need to find out LCM of all the denominators, that is 5, 6, 12 and 8, which comes out to be 120. So, the fractions now become 48 by 120, 100 by 120, 110 by 120 and 105 by 120. Out of all these fractions, the one with highest numerator will be the greatest fraction, that is 110 by 120. So, the greatest fraction is 110 by 120, that is 11 by 12. And so, the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the square root of 1 by 4 into 1 by 49 divided by 25 by 121 is. Let the required square root be x, that will be under root of 1 by 4 into 1 by 49 divided by 25 by 121. That can be written as 1 by 4 into 1 by 49 into 121 by 25. That is square root of 121 upon square root of 4 into square root of 49 into square root of 25, which comes out to be 11 upon 2 into 7 into 5, that is 11 by 70. And hence the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you.